Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to Home Remedies, where we share natural, effective, and easy to follow beauty tips straight from your kitchen. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you love all things home remedies. Today, we've got something special for all of you struggling with pigmentation. Whether it's dark spots, age spots, or uneven skin tone, I'm going to show you simple and effective remedies using ingredients you already have at home. Let's dive right in. Before we start with the remedies, let's quickly talk about what causes pigmentation. Skin pigmentation happens when there is an overproduction of melanin in certain areas of the skin. This could be due to sun exposure, hormonal changes, acne scars, or even aging. But don't worry, nature has some fantastic solutions to help lighten and brighten those spots. First up, we have the classic lemon juice and honey mask. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent, while honey is full of antioxidants and helps hydrate the skin. Mix 1 tablespoon lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey, mix it together to form a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to the affected areas with a cotton ball. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Next, we're using aloe vera and turmeric, a combination that has been used for centuries in skincare. Aloe vera calms the skin, reduces inflammation, and helps fade dark spots. Turmeric, on the other hand, is loaded with curcumin, which has powerful skin brightening properties. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with a pinch of turmeric mix until you get a smooth paste. Apply this to the affected area and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Gently wash it off with lukewarm water. Turmeric can stain, so make sure you wash it off properly. This remedy is great for reducing pigmentation, soothing the skin, and even preventing further spots from forming. The papaya and milk is also another great remedy to get rid of pigmentation. Take 2 tablespoons of mash-riped papaya into a smooth pulp and add 1 tablespoon of milk to it. Gently apply this mixture to the skin, massaging it in circular motions. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with cool water. This scrub will not only brighten your skin, but also smooth out the texture by removing dead skin cells, revealing fresh and glowing skin. We have also cucumber juice and rosewater toner. Now let's talk about a cooling and refreshing remedy, cucumber and rosewater. Cucumber helps hydrate the skin and reduce pigmentation, while rosewater balances the skin's pH levels and works as a natural toner. Grate the cucumber and squeeze out the juice. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of rosewater and apply the mixture to your face with a cotton pad. Leave it on overnight or for at least 30 minutes before rinsing. This is perfect for sensitive skin types. The cucumber cools down any irritation, while the rosewater keeps your skin refreshed. And that's it for today's video. These simple natural ingredients can help you fight pigmentation and reveal more even, glowing skin. If you liked these remedies, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which remedy you'll be trying first. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Home Remedies for more easy and effective beauty tips. Until next time, stay beautiful and stay natural.